This is a County Line 22-ton splitter that came from Tractor Supply with the Kohler engine, 3000 series. I was having problems for the last 3 years or so of this thing not starting after sitting for a while. Eventually figured out it was because there was moisture or water in the gasoline, and it wasn't coming in through here. I knew that. Well, first of all, if that is happening, if it won't start and you suspect it's gas, all you have to do is drain the carb bowl, which is down under right here. So you just loosen this bolt right here and the gas will start draining out, and you really only need to drain out like a tablespoon or two, and that'll get the water out of there, because water will sink to the bottom of that. And then just screw it back on. And then sometimes I would put some ISO heat in the gas and it would start right up. So I knew it was water in the fuel. Now the fix that I've had on here for about 6 months now, and it's been working, is to add Teflon tape. So there's two nuts holding on. One is holding on this air filter case, that's just protective case right here. And then there's another nut underneath this that's actually holding the air filter onto this stem right here. So you want to take both of those nuts off and then wrap a bunch of Teflon tape around the stem on the first one. That's right after you put the air filter down. Wrap that in Teflon tape, put that nut on, put this case back on, and then put Teflon tape on the stem up here, as you can see I did, and then put that nut back on. And ever since I did that, I have not had a problem with water getting in the fuel.